office. Now that was your first lesson. Lesson number 1. See, I told you get your parents' permission. He didn't get his mama's permission. He didn't get it. He didn't get his mother's permission. Follow him to the emergency room.
What it like that? What it like that? Oh yeah,
You got him a bicycle now.
This is legendary, Chad.
Come on, man.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, Smoke with Uncle Snoop, man.
They said in hell, I was in heaven.
Is it a crime? Is it a crime
This is
to smoke
legendary.
with
I
your
can't
uncle?
believe I just smoked with Unc.
Is it a crime to smoke with your uncle? No, it's not.